Alright man, what's good? Welcome to another banger of a video. So, it's currently Friday, happy Friday, hope you're having a great day. Today, no trade singing today, let me explain exactly why. I just finished up live trading with Discord. It's currently like 11 a.m. Eastern time, our Eastern time. But obviously my country is a little bit later, but I'm talking about Eastern time. So at 9:30, we go live every single day. And today was no trades. Yesterday I made like 550, 550. $556 to be exact. And the day before that was like break even, because there was like a break even area, like a secure trade. Regardless, this week was profitable, but this whole week has been kind of like this end of the September has been kind of consolidating. If you know what is a consolidation, it's a form of a trend that moves sideways, and it's just a price action that we should avoid. Okay, today was just full of that. I can literally show you in a minute what kind of price action we had today. I was about to enter, but then it just continued to consolidate. But if you know something about trading, you should always know when to pick your battles. What kind of days do you want to trade on? Do not trade on stupid days. For example, today was Friday. Overall, Friday is pretty good trading day, but you have to understand, if it looks shit, you shouldn't trade. Okay, that's just how it goes. Okay, but overall, really profitable week. Didn't take that many trades this week though, but was profitable. But I have a rule I said to my Discord as well, my students in the Discord, that I'm gonna de-risk the whole entire end of September, which is literally like 3 days more. So October is gonna be lit again. So we're gonna risk normally because of the price action. But I can literally show you exactly what do I mean about the current price action situation. Let me show you in a minute. So we can literally go right here, go trading view, boom, and right here is my Discord. By the way, if you want to join completely for free, as a free course, free community, lucky wheel that you can spin every single day, it should be the first link in the description. But I can literally just show you the price action that we had today. Yeah, okay, now it started to move a little bit, not much, but if you know something about day trading, if you know something about trading in general, me personally, I trade US 500, S&P 500, and NAS 100, or futures version, ES and Q, for the people who trade futures, or but this right here is not the cleanest price action at all. This is just look at this. If you know something about trading, hold on, my bad. You see this price action, not the cleanest, not the cleanest. You can see it move sideways a lot. Even though sometimes it moves up, it is overall moving really not in the greatest form. Okay, and I'm just here to bring the reality. Okay, no, pick your battles. Okay, overall month of September has been really good. Last month, August, was really good. July, June, May, everything. Like, this whole year has been really solid. And if you guys know something about me, I'm a day trader. I've been profitable for 1.5 years straight. So I gotta know when to pick my battles. All right. But yeah, now I'm gonna eat some food, hit the gym. I have not legs. Yeah, legs. I have legs. Shit. Okay, I'm gonna hit legs, and I'm gonna update you guys in the gym. Probably not gonna record that much in the gym, but I'll update you guys. Okay, this is day-to-day life of a trader, and I'll show you the reality. I'm 17, making good money. But pick your battles, guys. Pick your battles. Be smart with it. Be smart with it. Okay. All right. Happy Friday, man. Let's continue. Yeah, what's good, man? It's fucking raining. But I go lie, it's pretty chill, even though it's raining hard. But you know what? I think this is a quick little reminder to me that I need to check, can I get the driver's license so I could buy myself a car or something. But I'm not sure if I'm old enough to get the driver's license, to get the car. I'm gonna check But I don't know how long will it take. Maybe like 6 months to pass it if I have some time. But no, gotta enjoy the weather. Gotta enjoy the walking. Okay? The grind. I mean, look at me, bro. Soaking wet. Yeah, bro. But really, I'm not sure, do I need to be 18 to start the driver's license in my country or whatever, but you know, I gotta pass it, drive some cars after that. But you know what, walking is also pretty chill because you know the gym is actually really close. I don't actually go almost anywhere nowadays, so you know, everything is nearby. But yeah, gotta get the card, the driver's license. Yo, gang. This is life, bro. It's soaking wet. It's fucking raining. Holy shit. It's like a shower, bro. It's like a shower. Damn. Can y'all see me? Holy shit. This is fucked up. So man, I came back home. I go like it's getting kind of late, all of a sudden. But you know, you saw that fucking rain outside. You saw that rain. That was like crazy, crazy, crazy. It's like I was in the shower. But you know, it's crazy. It's like I live kind of far away from United States, but I heard something that Florida has a hurricane and some shit. That shit came all the way from there to here. Now I'm just playing. It's not the same storm, obviously, but you know that's really interesting. You saw me like, but that is like a wake up call that maybe soon I should get like when I have time. I should like go to a driver's license or whatever it is. It is, but I'm not sure. Like I'm 17. I gotta check. Can I do it? But you know, it kind of takes some time. I have some friends who did it, and they said like it took like 6 months. But obviously, it depends how well are you, like how serious are you about it. Like you can do it faster, but you know, I'm also trying to. I'm on the grind. I'm on the grind, focusing on my goals. But you know, I think I think it's worth it. You know, I think it's worth it. Like, look, man, I'm not saying that I'm a materialistic person, but you know, in times like these, when it's fucking raining, obviously the gym is like super nearby. I don't even go anywhere that much nowadays, like I told you. But you know, maybe I should like a cop a car, cop, like a buy. But you know, first I need the driver's license. Could take some time to take the driver's license. I don't know, but regardless, let's think about that later, the driver's license. But guys, you know what time it is soon? It's about to be winter, man. Winter. You know what that means? Winter arc. And this is, if you really made it this far, bro, I'm proud of you. Comment down below value. So that's the way I know. But I am challenging you and inviting you behind the screen to take this journey with me. Okay, winter arc. What is it? Sort of like self-improvement slash with trading because I'm a day trader, you know. But it's like winter arc. You go to the gym, you focus, you do all the good stuff. You read, you can meditate if you want. You just focus on yourself and you become as like you just develop. Okay, no excuses. And I'm gonna take you with me. I'm gonna take you with me. Let's just have the craziest winter arc. Okay. You know, maybe there's a series coming maybe soon. You know, winter arc. Like maybe I should do like winter arc day one, day trading, or like trading winter arc or whatever, like day one, day two, etc. So like a blog like this, but like a winter type. And I'm just, you know, it's like my day, but I'm also like trading at the same time, and I'm also like going doing the good stuff. Like you have to understand, like yes, I'm a day trader, but you have to understand day trading. That like that's my I'm really I have skills. Most people cannot day trade. Yes, But I do a bunch of other stuff than day trade, because day trading literally takes 1.5 hours of my day maximum, because I live trade with my Discord every single day, you know. So it's pretty damn chill. You know, I'm having a good time when I'm trading, because, you know, I'm teaching my students in there. They're having a good time. I'm having a good time. We're listening to music, talking. I'm teaching them. They're making money. I'm making money. Everybody's having a good time. So it's chill. So obviously I do other stuff than trading as well. Go to the gym, focusing on myself. That's pretty much it. Bro, I know. You may want to like, bro, you're so young. Where's the parties? Where's the shit? You know, man, look, I've been partying previously, but I found like it is just, I like it. Okay, I like to party, but I still do not do it that much, because not just because, you know, I think it's bad, but I think it's like I see everybody there, bro. Everybody's just using it to escape reality, but I kind of enjoy grinding. It's hard to explain, but grinding towards my goals brings me happiness. It's like hard to explain, but most people do not get that. Okay, most people do not get that. I'm 17, but I enjoy grinding. I enjoy working. So who the fuck is gonna compete with me? I'm playing, bro. I want you to compete with me so you can get results. Okay, work harder than me. Try to work harder than me. I don't like. I day trade 1.5 hours of my day. That's how I make my money. But now, on the side, I'm recording this YouTube video. That's also working, you know. So you gotta lock in, bro. Winter is coming. Winter arc is coming, bro. Lock in. Lock the fuck in. I say this every time because it's really true, man. You gotta lock in, bro. Like, you have to understand. It's your life, but you have one life. Make sure to make the most out of it, okay? Make the most out of your life, bro. And not just like, oh, YOLO. You know, just, there's tasks, okay? That's just my point of view. That's my philosophy, you know? That's just, you gotta lock in. But yeah, man, if you made it this far, comment down below comment below what you think about this video. And man, join the free Discord in the description. And as usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out. Now I'm gonna just literally edit this video. But happy Friday, man. Happy Friday. Chill weekend. Chill week. Profitable trading week. October is coming. But yeah, profitable week.